gonna make some peanut butter cookies. Let's see, I'm gonna need some peanut butter. So I'm gonna use my Smuckers. For the vacant IDA welterweight type. Have two I can choose from, the natural peanut butter or some Jif. I'm going to use the natural. So I need 1 cup of this. Make sure you can see what I am doing here. I'm going to be using the Smuckers natural peanut butter, which is just peanuts and salt. However, you can use the peanut butter of choice that you like. Sometimes I use the regular peanut butter, it just depends. I'm going to have to make my husband some peanut butter cookies, so for him I will use the Jif. I'm going to go ahead and put in my peanut butters. I don't usually like the smooth peanut butter, but all they had was the peanut butter with peanuts in it, so I'm using those today. Here I'm going to use some Swerve Confectioner's sugar. You can use the granulated, but sometimes that gives it like a gritty taste that I have experienced sometimes, so I'm using only half a cup because I don't like my peanut butter cookies so sweet. Now you can use a half a cup up to a whole cup of sweetener. Depends on how sweet you want for your cookies to be. I had a little bit under half a cup, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I'm adding at least half of a cup to my cookies. Also, by using the confectioners, you're going to get a softer and a chewier cookie than you would if you used the granulated Swerve. To this, I'm going to add 1 egg. Just 1 egg. These are going to be the 3 ingredient peanut butter cookies, y'all. These are so easy to make and so delicious. What you're going to do is just stir these ingredients together. And you'll notice that as you stir them together, that the consistency is going to change. It's going to become much pastier and much thicker, which is what you want for it to do. So I usually stir my batter until I get it to a consistency where it will make a firm ball and stick together and doesn't stick to my hand. So you'll know about when you get to that point when you are mixing your batter. Now to your batter, you can add pecans, that's what I usually like to add to mine. But you can add nuts, you can add chocolate chips, or whatever you like to add to your cookies. Okay, as you can see, the consistency has changed. It's much thicker. From here I'm going to get my pan, and normally I would use parchment paper, but I don't have any handy, so I'm going to use aluminum foil. If you do have to use aluminum foil, make sure that you spread so that the cookies don't stick to the aluminum foil. Okay, then take a spoonful and start making your cookies. Just roll the batter in your hand and place it on your aluminum foil or parchment paper, whichever one you are choosing to use. Now if you make all the same size cookies, you probably get about 15 cookies out of this batch. However, what I'm going to do, I love a giant peanut butter cookie, you all. They're so soft and so good. So I'm going to make myself a giant peanut butter cookie also. These cookies are so easy to make. Let's see, I'm going to end up probably with about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 or 11 of the regular size cookies. And then the rest, I'm just going to make me, like I said, one big peanut butter cookie. I love those big peanut butter cookies that you can go to the store and buy that are wrapped. They are so good. Another good thing about these cookies is that they are only one net carb, one carb per cookie. You don't really get to eat a cookie that has that low of carbs in it. So that's why I love the 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies, because you know exactly what you are putting in them and what you are eating. You're avoiding a lot of sugars and a lot of preservatives when you make your cookies yourself. By doing this, it allows you to have cookies occasionally on your weight loss journey. I'm going to go ahead and pop these cookies in the oven. Alright, I'm going to pop these in the oven at 350 for anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, the cookies are done. See, I've already taken one off and eaten it. I'm going to go ahead and take the cookies off and put them in a container. And I tell you, these come in so handy when you have a sweet tooth. And I myself am a cookie monster. So these cookies are going to come in handy. It's going to help me stay on track, help me stay focused. And I will spread them out over the whole week. These cookies will actually last me for a minute unless my husband eats them up. There's my fat peanut butter cookie. I've been pinching off of it. So good, so good. Thanks for watching my video. This is your first time here. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any videos I share. On this channel I talk about weight loss tips. I talk about things that work, things that don't work, and I love to share recipes. Anyhow, have a great evening.
Okay. Okay, getting ready to do some weight training here. Okay, getting ready to do some weight training here.